This is a brand new 2012 Toyota Camry. It has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a convenience package, a moonroof, and a navigation system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather interior, a passenger side vanity mirror, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and fog lamps. With an EPA estimated rating of 35 miles per gallon on the highway, it's easy to see how you can save. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Momentum Toyota Northwest is located at 8401 Northwest Expressway in Oklahoma City. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.